Hello amongst today's cipher code is ready. The code is DAG. Let's type, click on the daily cipher. Dash dash dot dot dash dot dot. It's an easy one. Everyone should try. And also in the card section, there is an special card, so should not miss this one. Also 2 cards, should not miss it. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.